Yes, welcome back to the studio, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, it's your boy Krizbeatz, the drummer boy, obviously, and you are welcome to World Wave Radio, where we bring the word to you. So, remember the last video we made where we were talking about how shipping is crazy. Well, since the time we made that video, a lot of you guys actually helped. I'll make shout out to the people that helped at the end of this video if I don't forget. So a lot of you were sending me things and how I can get it, a lot of your suggestions. So this, I used one of the companies. But one thing I'm never doing again in my life is to ship something via ocean. Maybe cars, I can allow them to do cars and all those things. But this one thing has been holding the studio upgrade from then over 3 months now till now. And of course, thanks to you, it was cheaper. We're able to, if you can see, show it. Show what I'm sitting on. I'm sitting on the speakers. If you can see, by the way, the speakers just came in. And I mean, it's amazing to have it in the studio. The upgrade will now officially begin. But it's a pity that I already sent most of the gears via ship. So we received this one in 2-3 months. Maybe we'll receive that one in another. Maybe by January we'll be talking about every other thing that we want to put in the studio. But yes, I wanted the unboxing to be the same thing for me and you. I wanted what I see to be what you see. So we are going to start, and let's get back to it after the intro. I don't know if we need the intro, but yeah, let's roll it for more time. Okay, I don't know how we're going to open this with this looking over my shoulder. And I need to also hold this one. Okay, let me pop it open. Then I will open this one. It said open this side. So, I mean, don't use this type of knife when you're trying to open. This looks like a saw. Shout out to everybody that, was rooting for me. No, I felt so good when you guys were going back. Oh, we should have set up that other camera to stay there now. We have 3 cameras now. So pause this one, set it up there so that we don't have to, so that we have different angles to what we're trying to shoot. All the excitement I had before now, that's the crazy thing. The whole excitement I had before now, bro, I don't have one single one left. Like, if I had my way, if I don't collect my money from these people back. But I'm still excited because now it's about time for me to be on the road. I'm about to start touring the world, and this is just coming. So I won't really feel this the way I would have felt it if I was still going to be around. Boy is huge, fam. I can't lie to you. Okay, so after recording, after checking out a lot of things that they have, okay, no need for this one, that they have in this thing, I finally realized that for a fact, this is too big. Number one, thank God I even bought this. Number one, we don't have enough space for this because I removed, the BX. Maybe I might even do a giveaway for the BX that was here. The BX6 that was here is a smaller space, so we might have to remove this. Of course, we're moving. This was still going to go anyways, but I still like how it looks aesthetically and how it sounds. So I might have to remove this and start reconstructing. But this is huge. See. It's a huge speaker, bro. It's huge, so nah, bro, I'm excited. Okay, I have it the other way around, bro. Now it makes me wonder, see how it feels, and I'm a big man, see how it feels to my hand, see what this looks like. I think this is a good thumbnail, for, yeah. Sorry?
Can I come close?
Yeah, you can move. is a good thumbnail. No, we'll still take it by itself, standing alone. So no, move close. Take the B-roll now. Move close. So it has a really interesting finish. You know, it feels solid. You know, I mean, this is my first focal, is to try out, you know, what focal will sound like on Afrobeat mixing and everything. Let's see what we are able to get. The only issue now is the space where we want to keep it, and if you check, it's impossible. It's impossible to have it here. So impossible. And I don't want to have it stand because it's designed to lay like this. So if you have it stand like this, you almost not get the vibe. The way it's bigger than my screen. What? Shout out Focal. The package is so on point. You know, it's good for his money well spent by looking at it. We don't know if it's going to be money well spent with the sound we're going to get. But looking at it, it's okay to spend a few $1,000s on this. You know, it's okay. You know, with the look from all this one that, you know, they are a few $100s. But, you know, in the 1,000 range, let's see. And from this, if I like this, I change all the things in the studio to Focal. From the subs to everything will be Focal if I like it. So, my fingers crossed. And let's power it up. Let's try to set it up in a way that we can. And I'll give my first review. Then I'll also come back and tell you what it sounds like after we must have, you know, had it. Let it have like a proper stand where it can stand on. Then we'll come back and talk about this. Let's go. Okay, welcome back to the studio, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, I was going to get back to you before, like after the whole setup. But unfortunately, I don't want this, you know, I don't want to go like finish today without, you know, actually testing what the sound is like. Come on, the heat is crazy. Yeah. Without actually testing what the sound is like in this, because I was in a hurry, so I've been reading the manual. I always try to read the manual no matter what. It's always tempting not to, but always try to. So, so far so good. I won't lie to you. Of course, all things considered, I won't rate it. This is not going to be my official rating, but I've played sounds from this. The first play, the first sound, I heard my head like this, like, yo, what is this? The clarity is insane, guys. The clarity is stupid. And this is not even an advert to these guys, to be honest. But it does make sense when you spend that little extra money. You know, of course, starting from where you are is perfect. I preach that all the time. Always start from where you are. Don't feel the need to, you know, jump to what will probably be an overkill for you. But this, standing it up like this is crazy. You know, I can't imagine what will be like when we have it slant to the side. So go to the back. Let me show the full view. You see, I took out the other two speakers that were here. If you see, the studio looks a mess right now. But this is going to come like this, and we have to measure it in a proper way where it's symmetrical, you know, where I will be able to, you know, tell exactly what I'm hearing from it. Maybe raise it a little higher than the usual, so it can be the same level with my listening position. But with this, with the way it sounds like this, I've been listening to songs for 20 minutes. The phone is dead. Not longer than 20 minutes, but it sounds beautiful. The clarity is beautiful. The high is not as harsh as the Yamaha HS I had before. The top end, before mixing on this, it will probably take me some few weeks of listening back to back, because I have a project I'm to mix that is coming out in a couple of weeks. I would definitely not do it on this new speaker, even if this new speaker sounds amazing. But if I do it on this new speaker, I'm going to be shooting myself in the leg because it sounds too clean and I don't yet know where to place things. And another thing I noticed in this one is that the reverb, you can hear how much, you can hear the exact quality of reverb. The stereo imaging is amazing too. I don't think I've said any bad thing about this, and I really need to look for what bad things to say. But maybe when we position the speakers, the way it should be, maybe, because it's designed to stay, is that called horizontally or vertically? It's supposed to stay like this, So when we do that, then I can decide what it is. Yes, but if you're seeing this video, follow up, like, subscribe, be in the comment section, as we are going to be building the studio again together from ground up. Like I said, the studio is moving, so once we move, we're able to, but we're getting the gears. It will take us some time before the compressor, the other things that we got will come through. The review for the Warm Audio preamp will probably come, after this or vice versa. I don't know when. But yes, everything sounds beautiful. I wish I can play it to you, but if I play something, I know you can't really hear it, but it's clean. Of course, my beats are always clean, but this takes the cleanness to a new level. That's what I'm saying. Okay, there might be a little shine on it, but I will not decide now until we've built everything. Yes, by the way, the Krizbeatz Music Academy is on. If you are looking at learning music production on any of those good stuff, check the link in the description. And let's dismantle the studio and spend some money, and I will get back to you after the whole thing. Yeah, see you in the next